Yeah, I think I nailed it real good. I think I nailed it. Oh yeah, look at that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Binta. If this is your first time here, welcome. Join the community. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video. If you are a regular in my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like this video as well. So I decided to just give you guys a little bit of like what I do in the morning for my face. Just a little bit of a morning routine that I do. Right now my face is so dry, very dry, and I just wanted to clean up a little bit and freshen up. I do have some product with me that I use. So what I do first is basically I kind of wash my face with water and a cloth just to put on my face, either a really hot cloth or a really cold cloth, just to get my pores open up for the treatment that I do to it. Once I do that, then I just clean my face a little bit with the wipes, and then I usually use the Nivea 3-in-1 basically makeup wipes. So I do that, and then I use the Garnier Skin Active with micellar water with argan oil. I love this product and it smells really good. So in order for you to activate the oil along with the micellar water, you have to just shake it and then use it. After that, I use the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue. It's a gel cream right there. It's so cute. Look at what it comes in. It's like the cutest thing. When I apply this, it refreshes my face. It's kind of like it's a bit cooler to the feel. So it's for dry skin. My skin is usually dry. My face is usually so dry. And then once I'm done with that, I use 100% pure shea butter for my face. Yeah, and then sometimes if I want to just like make my face smell even better than it would be, then I use the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist. So this was actually recommended to me by a friend of mine. So yeah, it smells really good. Yeah, and it's also vegan, which is great. Like, it's little to no chemicals on the face. Let's get it. So I'm just gonna use hot water